Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we've got a 2008 Yamaha YZF-R6. We're going to take a walk around this midweight sports bike and then we'll fire it up so you can hear it run. This sport bike is in overall good condition. As you can see, no rips, no tears in the seats. Nice and clean. Got a tank protector on it. It does have a little scraping on this side. Plus we've got one little dent in the tank there. But no spider webbing, no chipping. And you can see where it's been down on this side. This bike also has chrome frame sliders on it, along with new chrome bar ends. There's a little bit of scraping there on the clutch lever. Front tire on this bike is in good shape. Still got plenty of life left in it. And here's that other frame slider along with the other chrome bar end. And as you can see, this side of the tank is in good shape. No damage at all to it. Along with the tail section. This bike does have a Jardine Shorty exhaust on it. And this also has an undertail kit and aftermarket tail light, or rear blinkers. As you can see, the back tire is in excellent shape on this bike still. Plenty of life left in it. This bike's got 5,281 miles on it. That was my fault. I accidentally bumped the throttle. It's a fuel injected bike, which is something you don't do. So that's why it started a little hard, but that was strictly my fault, not the bike's. This bike also has flush mount blinkers on the front of it. As you can see, I flooded it a little bit, but overall this bike runs like a champ. Don't hold me against it. Sorry. This bike will be going through our 24-point pre-sale inspection. It also will come with a 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you're going to get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping simplystreetbikes.com.